Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about commander of the Dayak tribe, bird or Panglima Burung suku Dayak. The summary of the story. The figure of the bird commander, or also known as Panglima, has suddenly become popular lately. The treasure was news of Panglima Burung wedding's plans with someone who was said to be the incarnation of Nyi Roro Kidul, a mystical figure in Japanese mythology. The figure of Nyi Roro Kidul is more popular than Panglima Burung because it is often mentioned in folklore that developed in Java. It is different with Panglima Burung, who has just become the talk under certain conditions. Previously, the name Panglima Burung emerged during the conflict tragedy in Sampit and Sambas, Kalimantan in 2001. Panglima Burung is believed to have united the Dayak tribe in Kalimantan and give him strength. The story about Panglima Burung. There are many versions of the story about Panglima Burung. From popular folklore, especially in Kalimantan, Panglima Burung is a legendary supernatural figure who is believed to be the protector and unifying figure of the Dayak tribe. It is said that he inhabited mountains in the interior of Kalimantan. Some stories say that Panglima Burung is the incarnation of a hornbill, a bird that respected in the land Borneo. Under certain conditions, the Dayak people hold a war dance ritual to summon the bird's commander. The figure of the commander is believed to be powerful and giving strength. A very well-known related story is about a flying mandau or a saber moving on its own to target an opponent. Mandau is a typical Kalimantan sword. Panglima Burung is believed to be driving the flying mandau. In general, Panglima Burung is considered to reflect the true figure and character of the Dayak people. The original character are peace-loving, welcoming, helpful, simple, caring for nature, and ancestral heritage. The character jumped to be brave, violent, and cruel when threatened and run out of passion. From the invitation to the Panglima Burung wedding plan and the person called the incarnation of Nyi Roro Kidul. The events will be held on February 27, 2017. Is Panglima Burung really there, and will he appear? We don't know. That's the story about Panglima Burung. The moral value of the story: first, we have to work hard in our life. Second, we have to help each other in our life. And then the last, if we do goodness, we will get the same goodness too. Thank you very much for your attention, and we will discuss the material later. See you.